What up, Joseph? Tavin. Doing something a little different today. I'm actually working on my house. Normally I'm working on something else, you know, another rental property or something concerned with other people's things. And today I'm gonna concern myself with our things. My wife's been wanting this done for
2 years.
2 years.
8 weeks, 9 days, 40 hours.
40 hours?
Yes.
That's a random amount of hours. You heard that? 2 years, however many weeks. So she's been wanting this done for a while. And I've been putting it off because I've been scatterbrained with other things and concerning myself with probably things I shouldn't have even been concerning myself with, honestly, looking back at it. But here we are. So today we're going to install this range. Let's see what we got. Range hood from Brown. Picked it up at Lowe's. Nothing special. Big box store. Nothing, no custom or nothing. Just went and picked that up. 30-inch. I think it's gonna look pretty nice. So here's where there used to be some stuff. You see we got a little LED light just kind of. I have to get rid of this and install that hood all the way up to the top. I already have some marks and some fastener attachment points right there. I think they're probably gonna match because I believe the one that I had before that I made those previously with was also a brown. So I think it might actually be the same pattern. That would be really convenient, wouldn't it? Anyways, I'm gonna just set you up over here on a little time lapse and you can just, we'll just slap it together. Might do some more video, but we'll see. Let's go. Got a hurt hen. Had to bring her back over here. It feels real nice out right now. I think Rev and I are gonna hang out here. Mess around outside for a little bit. Pick up all the stuff that's on the ground. I got gas cans laying out here. A lot of wood that needs to be picked up, some shovels. We got our first snow this morning. And so winter's here. Oh, it's here. So procrastination can no longer happen. I can no longer procrastinate. I gotta get this stuff done immediately. So it's time to start moving all this stuff off the ground to get prepared for winter. I should have done this already, but I am a procrastinator, like bad. And procrastination comes probably from depression, honestly, if I'm being honest. Not being happy emotionally will keep you like, you know, not wanting to do shit. So that probably has something to do with it. But I gotta pull myself together and get my head out my ass because this is ridiculous. Just having all this stuff just out here on the ground. Like those grow beds are what, $120, $110. I just got them laying out in the grass, like 4 or 5 of them. Good job, Joseph. That's okay. See him running, just back and forth, up and down the hill. Yeah, well, we get it done. Got a weed eater out here the other day. It wasn't me, but we got it done, and it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I need to pick up all those trees from the back orchard. I think I'm gonna bring them up here for the winter. And I'll house them in here for winter. Probably dig some holes and just set them in the holes. Probably plant them next spring. That's probably what I'll do. I don't know, I guess I could plant them right now, honestly. But I don't want the snow to grow up around it because then the little shrews will eat. They'll try to eat the bark off of them. So I'm not gonna do that. I'll plant them next year. Rev, can you stop chasing chickens? Leave them alone. Come help me. Okay. Yeah. Can you help me? Can you pick up that shovel? Can you pick up that shovel for me? I'm gonna pick up these loppers. We gotta get all these tools off the ground. Otherwise the snow will cover them and we won't see them till spring. Can you grab that shovel? Pick it up. Here, pick this up. Can you carry this for me? There you go. Come on. Oh, is it too heavy? Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, he says it's too heavy. Yep, so I'm just gonna get some yard cleanup done. I was working on the thing in the house. I need some pieces. Oh man, I should call my wife and have her stop and get them from Lowe's. She's on that side of town. I'm sure she'd be thrilled to get that done. You okay? Oh my goodness. Oh, what'd you do? You hit your knee? Oh man. Ouch. Right, let's go look at these fruit trees back here. Come with me, Rev. Oh, treacherous walking through this. Still gotta cut up this daggone birch. Look at this. Just down in my way. Oh, the sun in the way. I'm trying to block it from my video. My left shoulder's hurting so bad. I need to pull all these trees over to that other orchard. Look at it. Shrews are getting in it. You see that? Ain't got no time for that. They get knocked over and then the shrews come in. They try to mess with them. Ugh. Turds. And they're all down. They all fell down in the last windstorm. Frustrating. So you gotta dig little holes. Oh well. Where's that other pair? I had 2 pairs. Where's your partner? Is that you? Is that the pair? No? It's a Zestar apple. Huh. Where's that pair at? Did I lose one to the birch fall? I'm confused. I had 2 of those pairs and now I don't see but one of them. I don't see nothing in this pile of tree right here, so that's a good sign. Huh. Anyway. Get back to standing these up. They're all down. Dang it. Not what you want to see. You don't want to see your trees laying on the ground. Is this my pear? No, that's my Arkansas black. Mancoon. There's the other pair. Found it. Found you. Cool. Everything's getting ready to go to sleep. All the grasses have died, you can see. What you got? Let me see. You got a feather?
Yay! Caw, caw.
Nice. That came off the chicken? Yeah, the caw. Caw. That's what he calls the chicken. Grab, look at this one. I got a feather too. Feather.
Oh.
Look at that.
One,
You like it?
two. One.
Nice. Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens. All right, Joe. I'm gonna go run around with him and continue picking up some stuff. Try to get it off the ground, like these fence posts that are just laying in the grass. Get them picked up and stacked somewhere. That way I can use them if I need them, or at least have them for spring. Anyways, like, subscribe. See y'all later. Talk to you soon. So I don't have it fully installed, but it turns on. I gotta put, you know, I don't even know if I'm gonna move this. You want me to just leave this right here? And then I'll need to run a wire to a box up there. I don't have to install the box, but I can just leave this. Or do you want me to make this disappear?
I would like it to disappear.
Okay.
If you want to just move it down here, though.
I'm just gonna run a wire from here. I'll take this out and I'll just run a wire up, and we'll put another box up there. That way the wires will be hidden. I'll take this fan out, close that lid outside, maybe spray foam it from the inside, put in a little patch here, cover that with some drywall, finish bringing the tile over and up. That'll work. Alright, I gotta run to Lowe's. I'm gonna get some drywall and a little bit of mud and probably some wire for the outlet right here. I gotta run an outlet up top here, and then I have to close this up. I've just pushed it in, so all I'm gonna do is drywall it, cover it with the tile, grout it, and bring the tile around, and then it'll look nice, I think. Mother of pearl. Is that what they call it? Anyways, I'm gonna head out to the hardware store right now. So let's go. We made it out to Lowe's. We got a little bit of wood. Got a vent in the back. I got some new plywood to put on the faces of the cabinets. A vent. Some drywall mud. So we should be able to finish out that kitchen at least. Oh, I forgot a wire. Dadgummit. Well, I'm sitting right next to Lowe's. I guess I could walk back in there, but I need to get a wire so I can run that outlet up. So we're en route to the house. We'll get more work done on this shortly. We stopped here at Frost Cupcake Shop to get some cupcakes.
Prettiest cupcakes I've ever seen.
Are they pretty?
They are gorgeous.
Ooh, look at that. Fancy. Right here next to Lowe's. After our Lowe's trip, we stopped at a new burger place called R&W Burger. It's right across the street, right off the highway. You can see the highway outside. I passed it like a whole bunch of times. Every time I've driven down this road. Never pulled in. Let's see if I can get a R&W hamburger house. So we're gonna stop in here and grab some grub. Pretty cool. You need help, Nugget? Don't eat. We have success, and the burgers are good. So I'll stop here again. The burgers are only like $8 for a cheeseburger. I can deal with that. Heck yeah. They charge you extra for the fries and the drink, but that's alright.
It's distinctive. It's extremely nice to drive.
Windy outside.
All in all, I think it would make a super car.
Got the ductwork, some ducting. I gotta pop a hole in the wall right there. Okay, go. Jeez. Anyways, I'm gonna install this into the wall. It'll go from the outside in, that's the vent, and then this will just fit on top here onto this little baffle, and we'll exhaust it out. And I gotta make a piece of drywall for this so I can patch that up. We'll tile it. It's taking a little bit longer than I thought it would, but my daggum shoulder is killing me. It's hard to reach out my left hand and do stuff. Freaking stupid thing. But yeah, we'll get it done. Okay. Are you ready? Let's do a run up. Where are we at, I wonder? Just drive around on the taxiway. You steer with your feet.
Yep.
Not your other arm. Okay, get on that center line. And you're coming up on a runway, so you gotta stop. You're not on the center line, stop. You're ran into the stop with the brakes. Top of the pedals. Where are you going? Use your legs. Quit steering with your hands. Legs. See your speed? Pull up. Pull up. You're flying now.
This thing's moving.
Yeah, it's a simulator.
Huh?
Your hair's crazy, boy. Picked him up from a sleepover. We're out here in the simulator flying 172s. we're actually in Alaska. That's the Butte. Palmer Airport's right over there. Airport's off to your left. Do you see it over there? Right to your left over there. Okay. We got our checklist. Tavin's doing pretty good. It's flying up pretty good. What we would normally do is we would fly around the Butte. They would have you fly around it, and they would have you enter the 45 for the downwind at Palmer.
I just want to explore around.
That's fine. You do whatever you want to do. I'm just telling you what you would do in real life.
There's a house.
Is there a house on top of the Butte? It looks like it in this, huh?
And it's like glitched into.
You're diving, dude. You better pull up. You're losing altitude. Okay, this is your... Stay at this altitude. You're climbing now. Turn left. Time to start heading that way. You can pull some power. You got it wide open. Use your feet to steer. Put that ball in the center. You have got to keep those wings level. You just keep turning it, turning it, and turning it. Keep the wings level. Stop staring with that and keep the wings level. You're climbing now.
So you want me to land?
Yeah, land at Palmer over there. There's the airport.
Yeah, but no, it's that one. It's that.
I think that's that's runway 16 that we'll be landing on coming this way, so.
Wait, which one?
16. Pretty cool. Being able to hop in the flight sim. We can bust out some practice, try some landings, get familiar with the stuff in the airplane.
I wanted to land on 27.
And we don't have to, I mean, you could have flown it straight in if you wanted to, but we don't know what the winds are at. I would just pick the long runway. But there's our runway over there that we're trying to land on. So once you get a beam the numbers, remember, you got to start your checklist for pre-landing. So you'll have your landing lights on, your mixture full rich. You'll pull some power. Pull some power down to 1700. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. Yep. Now, once this is in the white arc, pay attention, you're flying an airplane, son. Airplane. Focus on the airplane, fly it. Okay. Now once this is in the white arc, you can hit some flaps. I got your flaps for you. Okay, start making that turn. Palmer traffic, Cessna 123, turning base for 16. Palmer traffic. You're slowing it up too much. You are going to stall the airplane. Push the nose down. Put your hands on the throttle. You're going to crash this airplane. You're driving it into the ground right now. Steer it away from the earth. Why are you turning? Wings level, son. Pull the power off. Now you're pointed straight at the airport. You should have squared off and turned and done a square pattern to land. Now you're all crooked. But try to land it anyways. Let's see if you can do it. You got flaps here. You ain't got no flaps in. Put some more flaps in. No more flaps? Full flaps. Okay. Don't stall it. Keep it pointed down. There you go. Left rudder, turn it left. There you go. Look at that. Get that sucker on the center. Don't land it in the snow. Pretty good, dude. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. you stop it? Okay, go taxi off the runway.
Taxi out.
Remember, we don't steer with the yoke. You can just quit touching it, honestly. Just steer with your feet. You're gonna end up taking off if you keep that speed up. You're doing 55 miles an hour, dude. You are literally flying right now. You're flying right now, dude. Put your hands on the throttle and quit taking it off. You missed your turn. You're skidding, you're crashing the airplane right now. You can't turn at 40 miles an hour, dude. What are you doing? Whoa, now you're on another runway.
I guess I'm taking off.
You're steering with the yoke. We don't steer with the yoke. Your feet, son. You should be left aileron or left rudder. You're off the runway. Barely made it past that tree. Yeehaw! That's fun. Full rich, yep. You want the mixture full rich. Uh-oh. Your power died. What are you gonna do?
There's no landing.
Oh no, what are you gonna do? I'd land right there to the right. See the open field?
I was gonna land on this road.
You're gonna go straight ahead? Okay. Do it. Put some flaps in there. Get that sucker on the ground. Did you just go straight to full flaps? Okay. See if you can get it. Get it on that road. Don't hit nothing. Nice. Nice. Good job. Good job, dude. Pin it. Let's see if we can get it off the ground. See if you can fly it. What, Honora?
As long as it's been.
Maybe it's been an hour. I don't know. I'm good with it. You good with it?
Yeah, let's see how it's
That was fun. Okay, well, we'll call it quits. We'll come back and play it another time. Good stuff. I noticed my dogs have been over here for quite some time digging for something. I don't know what they're trying to catch, but look at, are they digging for toads? Oh no, it's shrew. They're shrew hunting. I was wondering what they were doing. Out here digging like crazy in all this clover. I didn't know what they were doing. Oh, wow. Yeah, they dug a hole to get that thing. Another wild. I had to come check and see what they were doing. I didn't know. I didn't know y'all were shrew hunters. You wild, girl. Look how dirty you are now. You got so filthy doing that. You know that? Oh, now you're gonna come rub up on me? Of course you are. Ugh. And you're wet. Yuck. Dirty wet dog. Girl, you wild. Come on. Are you gonna keep hunting? Shit. You're funny. You being a little shrew hunter? Oh, you ate it, huh? Yeah, there ain't nothing left over here. You ate that thing. You wild. Go eat your dog food. doing.